Yes, 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 yes. Hey guys, welcome back to the podcast. Welcome back to the Money Flow Trading Society's channel. Listen, my name is Gerald Peters. Always remember, whatever it is you think about comes about. And I promise you, whatever it is you focus on grows. My goal is to help. Not, I can't motivate you. I think that comes from inside, but I hope that I can inspire you. Today, this video, hopefully you're seeing it inside of thepetersreport.com. If not, go check that out. But listen, today we're going to dig into our recent trade that made us some money in Bitcoin Cash. And let me show you what I saw on the charts and how I'm playing it. I appreciate you. Whoa, all right, man. Let's take that down. I love that song, man. Love that song. Yes, yes, yes. Hey, guys, welcome back. All right, so if you remember earlier in the week, if you go to thepetersreport.com, let me pull it up. I've been actually sitting here working on the podcast or on the Ashley Talk. Let me pull up a new page. Let me pop on over. I believe it was on a Wednesday night. If you go to the newsletter, this is my trading log on page 4. If you want this in real time or by text alert, I send those out from my phone to your phone. Any moves I'm making to all my friends in the Money Flow Trading Society. And you come hang out with us in Discord. I need shooters, man. I need stock pickers. So let's see. All right, adding to DPST, that was TSLY. New swing trade in Tesla. Maybe we'll get into that a little bit. Probably not today. Pushed a large sum into BTC. Of course, that's Bitcoin. BTIX, that's the 2 times leveraged Bitcoin. Come on, man. And the Bitcoin Cash. So this was a Bitcoin play. I'm going to try to get in and show you what I was looking at and what I saw. If you have my charts, if you're inside of the Money Flow, you can get my chart list. You know what to do. Get in Discord and ask. They'll show you how to get it, okay? As I update charts, as I do things, you can see them on your end for whatever it's worth to you, okay? Man, we saw, wow, look at this. Yeah, let's take this over a little. Look how far. We saw Bitcoin Cash pump to the 640. I can't even believe it. So we got in on Wednesday night. A lot of crypto action happens at night, which I love, man. That makes it fun. Okay, so right now it's Good Friday, but we got crypto action underway. I'm going to show you what I was looking at. This is what you call an engulfing candle. It's a bullish reversal signal. When this candle engulfed the candle to the left or the bar, the day, each one of these is one day. If you look at this strip, let's say you're brand new, you don't understand, you don't know shit about stocks. The very bottom, each one of these lines, your chart, it may be candlesticks, I'm more into bars, they tell the same thing. That is the high. Down here is the low. And if you notice, there's a tick right here. That's the open, that's the close. That's all we need to know. The low, the high, the open and the close. And that, my friends, gives us a window into the soul of the stock. We get to look and peer inside of what is happening with this stock. In this case, a crypto coin. So we got this bullish engulfing, and check it out. That put in an anchor point right there. What do you mean? Lowest low. So from here to here was a 17% correction in Bitcoin. And I don't think a lot of people even noticed it because they just weren't tracking it. Look, see how small these are? These are small corrections, guys. All right, you got to stay in tune. You got to stay in flow. You got to be about it. You got to want it, man. You got to be hungry. I'm hungry, man. I'm hungry. I'm trying to get fucking rich. Sorry, let me calm down. Anyway, this was my play. Price moving above the 5-day. Oh, wait. All right, man. Calm down. My phone is... What in the hell? My phone is telling me to calm down. Put on the song Calm Down by Nicki Minaj. Damn. All right. Let me see. The basic money flow trading technical indicator setup list. 5-day exponential moving average. 10-day exponential moving average. The 20-day simple. Notice simple moving average is different than an exponential moving average. Don't ask me what the difference is. Google the shit. The relative strength index, RSI. Remember, this just measures volatility, how fast something's moving. It doesn't mean it went too high or too low. It can keep going. Don't use this wrong. Support and resistance and the MACD. So taking all of that, what I saw on this chart was that we had a 17% correction on Bitcoin from the high to the low. Now, Bitcoin Cash is Bitcoin Mini-Me. This is the Mini-Me Bitcoin. This is the silver to the gold, okay? That's what this is. Do you understand that? You got to understand that. What we're playing here is social sentiment. I truly believe people do not understand the coins. They're going to look at this and say, fuck yeah, this is $600 and Bitcoin is 70,000 and this is exactly the same code that does exactly the same thing. I'm in. I really think people are that simple. And yet, so Bitcoin Cash is my favorite crypto coin. I don't care about all the bullshit crypto people talk about. People are this dumb, and I'm going to bet on it. And I've been betting on people being dumb my entire life. People will finance cars, so I will get dividends. People will use credit cards, so I will have an advantage. Listen, human nature doesn't change. The only thing that moves markets, fear and greed, not responsibility, not logical thinking. And you can't be fucking smart and think you're going to do it, because otherwise all the smart people in the world would be rich, and they're not. So we had a bullish reversal candle. That gave us our anchor point. We did have a pullback. We didn't have it on the RSI, but we did have this. It dipped below 50. If you've day traded with me, you know once it dips below 50, if it starts to come out, bam. That is one of our signals inside of the money flow trading system. Right here, relative strength index. So I got price above the 5. I got price not yet above the 20, but that's needed for the stage 2. What we're talking about is qualification for stage 1. I got the RSI. I've got some support and resistance, and I got the MACD histogram working in my favor. And you say, what do you mean? Look over here. The MACD said the momentum to the downside had stopped on that anchor day. That bullish engulfing candle triggered not only the MACD, it triggered the TSI. It put in an anchor point. It hit the trigger, and price broke out above the 50 on the RSI. Check, 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 please. Let me catch in. That is all I need to see, okay? And that is a fast one. We didn't get our 4 bars. This is what I'm saying. Sometimes you won't get your 4 bars, man. So you got to stay patient. You got to stay in flow. I say it in the front of the petersreport.com every issue. Stay patient. Stay in flow. Be in the money flow. Bam. Then we got our breakout above the 20. That right there is my stage 2 breakout. Best time for buying. That's for people who aren't quite as risky. I do most of my buying in the stage 1. That means I have a smaller stop out zone. If you just buy stage 2, your stop out zone is going to be bigger, but you did get a confirmation that I didn't get when I started buying. And I think you'll see most people, the better you get, the more often you're probably going to, I don't want to save this. We'll load it to this. You're going to do better and better at timing your entries. And so that's what that was about right there. Then it starts to run. Typically in a stock, previous high, which would have been right around in here, I would have been looking at downsizing. These are crypto coins. Understand the nature of the thing you are trading. Crypto coins can run for weeks on a hot 70 plus RSI. Stocks typically don't do that unless you have a runaway. Learn social sentiment. Lay social sentiment over the money flow. Use the brain God gave you, and I promise you, you can have more, you can do more, and you can be more. Hey, man, I love you guys. Everybody in the MFG, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Give my life purpose. Rest assured, I'm out here looking for stocks for us. We're keeping up on this, man. I need shooters. If you're looking for a home, if you're looking for a place to trade, we'd love to have you, man. We really would. We really would love to have you. You keep it real. We'll flip through some charts and listen to my girl take us out. I got stage 2 on bowling. Bristol Myers hitting that B&B target. Those are easy money trades, baby. Still in Bohr. Haven't sold any shares in cart. You guys stop selling shares on these stocks I give you. We're in a raging fucking bull market. Don't sell a winner for a maybe. Trim and Delta. Trim and defense trade. I haven't trimmed Crispy. We woke up to a 30% hit. Stop selling the stocks that I send you. Stop. Or stop following me. Stop looking at my stocks. Pisses me off. We're in a raging bull market. ENVX setting up, baby. It's a penny stock. I'm not going to cover it, but you see what's up. You'll be on my board this weekend. EV trade is back. Be trimming Ford probably. Trimming Freeport. Gave everyone this one. I don't know if you got on it. Some of you don't take the trades that are good. We've been talking about this one. Playing. Ooh, Gilead's fixing to run. Got a 75 target on Gilead and collected a dividend on this B&B trade. We are in the profit. And this thing's going to run to 75. Easy money, green money. It's called the B&B. It's a playbook inside of the money flow. I hope to see you in Discord, man. What's up? Let's go.